Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about virtual data groups leverage cloud-based storage to provide secure and efficiently documents management and collaboration. Here are some ways BTR make centralized document repository. Cloud-based storage allows BTR to serve as a centralized responsive for installing and organized documents. BTR provides a secure and stable environment where users can upload, access, and manage files from anywhere. Secure data storage. Cloud storage BTR employs advanced security that will help you. Reliable backup and disaster recovery. Cloud-based storage offers reliable backup and disaster recovery capabilities. BTR automatically replicate data and storage. It will multiple locations and providing privacy and ensuring data integration. Reliable data backup and disaster recovery. Cloud-based storage offers scalability and flexibility. Cloud-based storage allows BTR to scale seamlessly based on our needs. Organizations can easily increase and decrease storage capability as their document volume and data requirements change. So that's it guys. I think you will understand. So we'll talk you later. Thank you so much for today.